I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular bug eliminators that are good for pets and little ones. All essential oils and stuff like that are in here. We're gonna go over each one of them. They all do very similar things, but there are some major differences that may make a decision for you. The idea is, hey, check out the 3 most popular ones. I'll walk you through, and whatever one is best for you, that's gonna be that. This right over here is gonna be the stem. This one is the I forgot what this is called, the Eco Avenger, and this one right here is going to be the Wonder Side. We're going to start with the Wonder Side first. So the Wonder Side right over here, you get this, you get your hose, you put it inside. My hose is currently on right now. So nice part about this, the water is not going everywhere. I was kind of worried about that a little bit, but you can see right here, it's not going anywhere, and you don't have to like consistently use it. When I thought as soon as I put the hose in, it's going to start spraying out, not the case. So to get this done right over here, I thought you had to push this forward. It's actually the opposite. You're gonna pull this little tab back right over here, just like that, and then you're gonna take this back, and you're gonna get this mist right over here. So this has kind of like a cedar smell to it. This will eliminate bugs on contact. So as soon as it contacts the bug, game over. You don't have to worry about it. Now, this also prevents bugs from coming back for about 4 weeks, which is great. I really love that, especially this is kind of our backyard area right over here where I kind of just take care of this fence right over here, and it's been great, like especially just for our pet dog. He loves to be down here, and this is going to be good for mosquitoes, ants, fleas, ticks, crickets, beetles, gnats, all that kind of stuff. Literally just put your hose in there and you're good to go. Let's jump to the next one right over here. This one is going to be I keep forgetting what this is. The Eco Avenger right over here. So this is a spray bottle right over here. When you first get this, there'll be a cap on here. Take that off, put your sprayer on, and you're good to go. So this one also good for little insects. This is going to be for ants, all that kind of stuff. This one has a nice little mist spray right over here. So you can kind of see that. Let me see. Kind of get that sense right over here. This has a citronella smell to it. It doesn't last a long time either. This also is an instant eliminator. So as soon as this hits the ant, the bug, the fly, the whatever, it's good for that. You could use this indoors or outdoors. So it doesn't really matter where you use it. It's totally fine. It will leave a little residue. It dries clear. So just kind of know that if you do hit, a bug or whatever, maybe you just want to wipe up the floor real quick. So there's that. This is great for outdoor use. We have a patio right above me. We kind of have this outside. It's kind of nice if you don't want to use tiki torches and all that kind of stuff. You could just use this. And this also prevents about up to 3 to 4 weeks of spraying. So, which is nice if you ever had like kind of like ants in your house and you kind of get rid of them, some more show up the next day or a little later. This kind of prevents that altogether. And it actually goes down and kind of like eliminates the whole colony or the queen and all that kind of stuff. So you don't have to worry about that. This next one right over here is going to be our stem. This one right over here is also a spray bottle. You just have that little mist right over there. Both of these do have locks. So with this one here, this is going to be good for ants, roaches, and flies. This one right over here, it's not instant elimination. So just know that. This one is more you spray it and it knocks the bug down. It kind of just, I don't know, does whatever it does for about a minute and then it's kind of over for them. So just know that for this one right here. This one will leave a residue as well. And if you kind of spray this, this is good for indoor and outdoor. So just know that it does leave a little residue for you. So you might want to just wipe that up. It's probably a little bit more residue than the other one from what we've found. This one is not, you don't want to use this on plants or anything like that. We don't really have plants, but that's what it says anyway. So let's take a look at all 3 of them together now. So we got all these together. So I would say if you're looking for just outdoor, this is going to be your guy right over here. You can't use this indoor. If you have a hose and really want to get stuff done quickly, this is going to be the one for you. This covers the most bugs as well. So gnats, mosquitoes. I think there's about 8 different bugs that this takes out. You literally just hook up your hose and you're good to go. If you don't have a hose, don't want to use a hose, one of these would be, this also prevents as well. one of these would be for you. The main difference between these two right here is this one right over here that does the instant elimination. This one does not. This one prevents them from coming back and kind of like takes out the colony. So does this one right over here. This one is just kind of you spray it and it knocks them down. So that's kind of the main differences for this. And I think also this one definitely comes in different sizes as well. We kind of use these up there for when we're outside on the patio and don't want to turn the tiki torches. This I'm using down here, so to try to prevent them from getting up there. And it does work well. We notice when we hang out down here, there's also an area over there where we don't spray, so that's kind of how most of the bugs get up there. But can't really go wrong with either one of these. Really like all these a lot. If you have a big area to cover, I would say get a couple of these. If you're just kind of looking for indoor stuff and outdoor, these are going to be the ones for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right solution for you.